All right, robot, here's the situation. I try to hang up this shelf here. The reason is that I put this off for about 2 years now, and I now no longer want to put it off. It needs to go up here just about like this. It's about shoulder high for me. That'll allow me to put most of the mops in my life underneath it. This is kind of a storage closet. The way this works is that there's these little hooks. They go into the wall back here somewhere. And the back wall of this thing hooks onto it like that. And then on the end, there's supposed to be one of these things that does the same thing, and the front of that slips down in the slot. So the project of the day is I've got to get all these holes aligned and level. And then I also have to screw them in so that they don't screw up on the drywall. Aside from that, it'll be a piece of cake. All right, here we are, about 5 feet above the floor, level. We're going to move this level line right along this way here and keep it level. And we're going to move it along this way and keep it level here too. We need to do that in a minute. Cool? I think we're cool. Now time to screw in these little connectors. Alright, I've got 5 of these and it's a 5-foot shelf. Probably better mark out some spots before I do this. Wait a second. Alright, here we are. Let's do one here. Let's do one here. Let's do one here. Let's do one here. Let's do the last one right here. And the stud is right over here someplace. For once, we don't want to hit the stud if we can avoid it. For an important reason I'll show you in a minute. There's another stud right here. We're going to put this other support right where this other stud is. Get it? There's my measurements. See this? We're going to put this right here where it's going to go. And we're going to mark the holes. That's where they're going to be. Naturally, you hit the stud. We're going to have to compensate for that. I'll be back in a minute. Got to get my hammer. Got one more of these things. Now rocking. See this? It braces against this. And this little thing comes up between the wires here. And then we screw it in right there, which is why we want it on a stud. Let's level out this thing in the front. Alright, there it is. Level as I ever make anything. There we go. Yike, level, pretty solid support. We're in business. This closet would have been 6 feet wide. I could have used this other one to support the end of it there, but it's not, so I can't. If I ever do feel like it, I can actually run the 2x right there, but I'm not going to. All right, I declare bueno. Smell you later.